Our application is beginning to look good. We've got the data from each of the data elements that is in the array of data here, displaying in this particular format that we've set up here. But we're not happy with the way the date's displayed and the way in which the money is displayed. So let's deal with that one at a time. So let's deal with the budget first. What we can do is we can deal with this data item and format it inside the the string interpolation by putting what's called a pipe. Now you remember that Ionic is based on Angular. So if we wanted to find out more about pipes, we can go to the Angular website, angular.io/docs. I think it's under Fundamentals, Template and Data Binding, and select the pipes item here. Now the pipe is just a vertical line which appears like that, and you'll find it on your keyboard bottom left, and it's the shift on the / key. So there are lots of pipes which are pre-formatted, built-in pipes such as date, uppercase, lowercase, currency and so forth. But there is a gotcha in that some of the pipes are not supported in all of the older browsers, but you can create what's called a JavaScript polyfill and fix that problem. But let's presume that that problem doesn't exist at the moment and that we're going to be okay. So if we go back to here, which is where we are going to place our pipe, and by the budget I'm going to put my pipe here, and currency. So let's save that, and you'll see that it's suddenly saying USD 1500 and giving us the double decimal places after the decimal point. So we're not quite there yet. So what we have to do is we have to tell it how we want this currency to be displayed. Now we're in the UK, so what I need to do is tell it that we work in GBP. So GBP. And what I also want to do, so I should put that in single quotes, I want to also tell it that we don't want to display GBP, we want to display the symbol for GBP instead. Save that. I'm now getting £1,500, double decimal places, just as we want. So what we also want to do is to place a pipe on the date, and it's really easy. Date September the 1st 2017. Our data is now looking really good, and we could add a further formatting if you wanted to find out about formatting in the Ionic documentation, and you could change this formatting to suit what you think is appropriate for this situation. Just want to remind you about the restrictions. If you think about older browsers, Chrome's fine because Angular is a Chrome product, a Google product, so Google Chrome, they're all tied up. But Safari 9, no. Safari 10, yes. So you're going to have to play with the browsers and put in some polyfill, the INTL polyfills, if you need to. Really short, really sweet, really important.